Hello, everybody. Hello, doctor. I am Wang Xikai. So I am the representative of our group to show you some of the information about how we use the Power BI and give you some idea that how we're working on it. So let's start it. And also I'm from group 1. So we can know the first step. This is the result visualization. So the first step is to import our raw data set into the Power BI. So the task 1, we have prepared the raw data, which is, you can see from here, it's table review. So here's the date, and from this is US dollar, and this I don't know, and Europe, Japanese yuan, and this I don't know, some Australia dollar, Canadian dollar, and Hong Kong dollar, and some of the different currency from different country, and also CNY, Chinese yuan. So I'm not gonna use all these different currency into our visualization part. And also I sort my data in ascending, so which is, you can see that 2018 from 2019, okay, 2019 and 2020 and 2021, 2020 to 2023. And here is the model view, and you can see that there's no relationship because I only have one data set, so there's no relationship. So if later on, if we want to use due to the assignment, we only have one data set. If I want to make some relationship, like to visualize different location or the territories, we can link the currency to the location variable, which is one currency link to one location. So we can see that on the map. So unfortunately, we only have got this currency data. There's no location data. So the final part, which is the visualization part, it is very exciting. I think this is a very powerful tool for us to analyze the data. So here you can see all the data on this list. And I will introduce the first one. Is like the sorting part. You can click different years and different months. This function part is from Slicer. And here is the, so I pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 target currency, which is Australia dollar, Canadian dollar, Chinese yuan, euro, and Japanese yen, and US dollar. And here is the average of different currency, because from the data set we can see one date link one one currency. And I have to clarify what it means by this number 4.1. I use the direct quotation in currency presentation because we have to clarify this. It is more simple like this. For Chinese yuan, right? This is 0.6. So how we calculate 0.6? It is Malaysia ringgit over Chinese yuan. Do you get my? So here is 0.6 Malaysia ringgit equal to one Chinese yuan. So you can see that US dollar 4.1 Malaysia ringgit equal to 1 US dollar. So as the US dollar increase, as this member increase, so Malaysia ringgit will depreciate. So as this value decrease, Malaysia ringgit appreciate. So that's how it goes. So next we can analysis. So you can see that here's some incomplete data. So from 2018, you can see that there is only November and December, but from different years, 2019, here's from July, from December. So 2018 is incomplete, 2019 is complete, 2020 is complete, and also complete. So the 2018 is not very accurate or authentic this, so we are not gonna use the 2019 this year. So it is incomplete, so it will lead us some error or misunderstanding, like this. Here is the year-over-year calculation, percentage change, and here is the minimum, and here is maximum value. And also I compared Chinese yuan and US dollar with Malaysia ringgit. So first of all, we can analyze the Chinese yuan and Malaysia ringgit. So from 2019, the minimum value you can see is 0.59, and maximum is 62. And but now to 2023, we can see that here the minimum is 63 and the maximum is 65, and as you can see that it is really stable. This value is really stable. You can see 19 and 62 maximum, 63 maximum, 67. It's not a big change, and 67 and 65. It is very, very stable. So the relationship between the Malaysia and China it is very stable. So it means that the import and the export the differences it does not change much. But you can see the US dollar from 2019, the minimum is 4.06, maximum is 24.2022, and here 40, you can see that 75, 4.75, 79. It is a big change. I think it's a big change from 4.606 to 2023, which is the maximum is 4.79. It is kind a big change. That's all, and you can see the year-over-year percentage change. 2022, 1.56 and 1.41, and overall is increasing. Increasing is not good for Malaysia ringgit, and here is a big match. Also, here's negative, so Malaysia ringgit appreciate. Here for Chinese ringgit, Malaysia ringgit is depreciate kind of a lot. And here you can see the US dollar, it is about 6% change. So Malaysia ringgit for the US dollars can and depreciate a lot. 3. You can see why this is very unstable from 2021 to 2022. I think it is due to the global economic unstable, which is everybody knows that is due to the COVID-19. I think COVID-19, and that's all. Why every value is average? So I make it on average. The default set is the sum of the all value. So it is kind I cannot get some meaningful information from the sum. So I change it. I change it from summarization. I change it from sum to average. To average, it is kind useful, but if you sum it all the value, I don't know how to explain or how to give the value for a meaning. That's all for our presentation, and thank you for your listening.